Everyone knows that fruits and vegetables are good for us, but have you noticed that there are some foods that actually look like our organs? The expression, "you are what you eat," is very common. But is there a deeper and more concrete connection between what we eat, our bodies, and our health? If you take the time to study details about what foods are good for certain body parts and what they look like, you can come to some very interesting conclusions. Below is a list of foods that actually look like the body part they benefit. Grapes. Grapes have an undeniable resemblance to the alveoli in our lungs. The alveoli are small sacs inside our lungs that allow oxygen and carbon dioxide to move between the lungs and the bloodstream. Including red or purple grapes in your diet may reduce the risk of lung cancer and emphysema. Red beans. Beans are the most similar food to the kidney. They contain soluble and insoluble fiber and are also very rich in protein and iron, which is great for our kidneys. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are very reminiscent of our pancreas and can actually help balance the glycemic index of diabetics. They are an excellent source of vitamin A, C, manganese, copper, pantothenic acid, and vitamin B6. Tomatoes. Their red color isn't the only thing that reminds us of our heart. They also have a very similar internal part. Since this fruit is rich in potassium and iron, we can guarantee its importance for our heart and blood. Olives. Olives improve the health and function of ovaries. Both olive and olive oil contain an abundance of phenolic antioxidants, as well as the anti-cancer compounds squalene and terpenoid. Bananas. Everyone knows bananas are good for you, but no one really knows why they're so good. Bananas contain a protein called tryptophan, an amino acid, which when deferred is converted into serotonin, the hormone responsible for happiness. So keep eating bananas if you want to be happy. Onions. They resemble the cells of the human body. It has been proven that onions eliminate waste from all cells in the body. The phytochemicals in onions help out the vitamin C in our body, providing us with a more resistant immune system. They also contain chromium, which helps regulate blood sugar. Ginger. Ginger's shape is very similar to that of our stomach, and it's no coincidence that it has been used for centuries to alleviate digestive problems such as nausea, loss of appetite, motion sickness, and pain. Avocado. The good fats in avocado and its nutrients help maintain hormonal balance, especially when it comes to the female organism. It can act to prevent cancers in places like our uterus and ovaries. Mushrooms. Have you noticed that mushrooms look just like the inside of our ear? Mushroom consumption can prevent hearing loss. Mushrooms are rich in vitamin D, which is not very common in our diet and is responsible for our ear health. Celery. We cannot deny that the resemblance between celery and our bones is uncanny. Did you know that this vegetable can strengthen our bones? Figs. Figs can increase sperm count in the male reproductive system and improve male virility. Don't you think this is an interesting topic? Nature is amazing. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.